Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. If you're new here, welcome to the channel, and in this video I will show you the best audio settings on Chromecast. So I'll show you how to set the best audio settings on Chromecast.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Let's get started. So head over to quick settings and then go to all settings. From here, click on display and sound. Now you're going to go over to the bottom of this list and you'll find advanced sound settings. I strongly recommend allowing the format to automatic. This is especially if you have a surround sound system or let's just call it an external speaker. This could be a home speaker, it could be an external speaker, it could be a Bluetooth speaker, whatever the case may be. But especially if you have a device like that can produce quality sound, I recommend you keep this setting at automatic. So this will enable only the formats that are supported by that audio device, producing the best sound possible at all times. You could also go to show formats here and select the specific format. So if you know you have a DTS specifically or a Dolby GHL, you could select this and manually put it in. So if you click on manual, it will selectively enable or disable each format supported by the device, which is a Chromecast, regardless of whatever the external speaker has as its supported device. So I prefer you keep this and do not turn on this option. If you click on never use surround sound, you will never use surround sound, as simple as that, and that will rob you of the quality of such audio devices. So as you've seen, click on that. I also recommend you click on this option to allow the system sounds to be on. This will give you audio feedback as you navigate the system. Very little change, but it will goes a long way to improve your experience using the Chromecast. So that's it for this video. If you found that useful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more content like this.